I'm Annie from the Oil Region Library Association.
And I'm Lex.
And I'm Sammy.
And today we're going to show you how we made some bridges out of materials that we found in our backyard. This is the bridge that Sammy and I made. And as you can see, we found 4 sticks with notches in them. So they all have little notches.
Kind of notches.
And we decided to use those for our bridge supports. We took 5 sticks. And Sammy, how did we get these 5 sticks in the middle here?
Long grass and chives from our chive garden.
That's right, we tied them together with some long grass and some chives. Once we tied the sticks together, we put our 4 supports down in the ground, and then we laid our bundle of sticks on top of the supports. And Sammy, how did you finish it off?
I put the grass on top.
That's right. So that is Sammy's and my natural bridge.
So this is my bridge. I have used sticks here at the bottom, and I've covered it in leaves, just like a real bridge.
Sammy and I tested the strength of our bridge by putting a rock on top of it.
It's very heavy, and we were actually surprised when I put it on.
We were surprised. I definitely thought that the bridge was not going to be able to hold that rock up, but it sure did.
Well, I'm going to try taking it off to see if it crumbles at all. It can hold a stone this size.
That's a pretty strong bridge.
Yeah, let's improve it sometime.
So now it's time for you to try to build your own bridge. Use whatever materials you can find outside. We mainly used sticks, leaves, and grass. We did find a couple other things we thought we might be able to use. We found a flat stone in our backyard that we thought might be a good support. We also found a piece of tree bark in our backyard from a tree stump that we had back there, but neither one of them quite worked the way that we thought they would. So the hardest thing for us was tying the sticks together. It's pretty hard to tie things together with blades of grass. But have fun building your own bridges. And after you're done, you can test them out. Maybe put a rock on your bridge and see if it'll hold the weight of the rock. Thanks for watching. Have fun building your own bridges and good luck with them. Bye.
Bye.